Welcome to a journey into the icy heart of mystery and intrigue, Antarctica. This is a land of extremes, a continent that is simultaneously the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth, a stark white landscape that is more than just a desolate wilderness. It's a place that has captured the imagination of explorers, scientists, and even conspiracy theorists from around the globe. Let's start with the basics. Antarctica is the southernmost continent on our planet, a landmass almost twice the size of Australia, and 98% of it is covered by an ice sheet that is, on average, more than a mile deep. This ice holds 70% of the world's fresh water, a staggering amount that, if melted, could raise global sea levels by over 200 feet. But Antarctica is more than just ice. It's a place of incredible biodiversity, with a rich marine ecosystem teeming with life, from microscopic plankton to colossal whales. It's also home to a multitude of birds, including the iconic emperor penguins, who have adapted to survive in the harshest conditions on Earth. Yet despite all its natural wonders, Antarctica remains the least explored continent on Earth. Its extreme climate and remote location have made it a challenging place for humans to inhabit. Most of our knowledge about this fascinating continent comes from scientific research stations scattered across its icy expanse. But why has Antarctica captured our collective imagination? Perhaps it's the mystique of the unknown, the allure of a place that remains largely untouched by human hands. Or maybe it's the tantalizing mysteries that lie beneath its icy surface, from ancient climate records frozen in time to potential signs of extraterrestrial life. Indeed, Antarctica is a hotbed for scientific research, a natural laboratory that offers unique insights into our planet's past, present, and future. But it's also a source of intrigue and speculation, a place where fact and fiction often blur, giving rise to theories of hidden bases, ancient civilizations, and otherworldly encounters. So, are you ready to plunge into the icy depths of Antarctica's secrets? Antarctica, an inhospitable land of extremes, holds some unexpected secrets. This icy expanse, bigger than Europe and Australia combined, is the driest, coldest, and windiest continent on Earth. But don't let these superlatives fool you. Beneath its icy exterior, Antarctica is teeming with life and geological wonders. While it might seem desolate and barren, Antarctica is anything but. It's a surprising hotbed for marine life, from colossal blue whales feeding in the nutrient-rich waters to lively penguins that have adapted to survive the harsh conditions. Delicate krill form the cornerstone of this ecosystem, fueling a chain of life that is as diverse as it is resilient. But the secrets of Antarctica aren't limited to its icy surface. Deep beneath the miles of ice, active volcanoes rumble and roar. These subglacial volcanoes, like the towering Mount Erebus, are a testament to the fiery heart beneath Antarctica's frozen facade. They heat the ice, creating subglacial lakes and rivers that may harbor life forms yet undiscovered. And the adaptations of the organisms that call Antarctica home are nothing short of extraordinary. Take the Weddell seal, for instance. This master diver can hold its breath for an astounding 45 minutes, reaching depths of over 2,000 feet. The Antarctic krill, a tiny creature no larger than your little finger, can survive by eating the algae that grows under the ice during the long, dark winter. Even the microscopic life forms in Antarctica have found ways to thrive. Microbes in the continent's dry valleys have been found to survive by pulling moisture directly from the air, a feat that has left scientists astounded. Then there's the emperor penguin, the only creature to breed during the brutal Antarctic winter. In temperatures that can dip below -80 degrees Fahrenheit, these hardy birds huddle together for warmth, taking turns at the wind-battered edge of the group. Indeed, Antarctica continues to bewilder us with its paradoxes and secrets. From its thriving ecosystems to its volcanic underworld, every discovery peels back another layer of this complex and captivating continent. Beyond its icy facade, Antarctica holds a treasure trove of scientific knowledge. This land of ice and snow, so seemingly barren and inhospitable, is teeming with opportunities for scientific discovery. It's here, in the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth, that scientists are conducting groundbreaking research that spans a multitude of disciplines. From long-term climate studies to the budding field of astrobiology, Antarctica's unique environment offers a natural laboratory unlike any other. The ice, which can be miles thick in places, is like a time capsule, preserving evidence of past climate events. By drilling deep into the ice and extracting cores, scientists have been able to study atmospheric conditions dating back hundreds of thousands of years. This has provided invaluable insights into the Earth's climate history and how it has changed over time. In addition to studying the past, Antarctica is helping us understand the present. The discovery of the ozone hole over Antarctica in the mid-80s was a wake-up call to the world about the dangers of human-made chemicals. The research conducted in Antarctica has played a vital role in our understanding of the ozone layer and the impact of human activity on its health. But it's not just the ice and atmosphere that are of interest. The extreme environments of Antarctica have also proven to be a hotbed for the discovery of new species. From microscopic organisms that thrive in sub-zero temperatures to the diverse marine life that populates the Southern Ocean, these discoveries have expanded our understanding of life's ability to adapt and survive in the harshest of conditions. Antarctica is also a prime location for astrobiology research, the study of life beyond Earth. Its extreme conditions and isolated environment make it an analog for other planets in our solar system, providing clues about where and how life might exist elsewhere in the universe. These discoveries not only help us understand our past better, but also give us a glimpse into the future. By studying Antarctica's secrets, we are gaining insights that could help us predict future climate trends, understand potential threats to our planet, and even predict the possibilities for life beyond Earth. This is the power of Antarctica, a land that continues to inspire, intrigue, and inform. From the plausible to the fantastical, Antarctica has been the epicenter of numerous theories. Now, we're about to dive into some of the most captivating yet controversial theories surrounding this icy enigma. One such theory that has captured the imagination of many is the supposed existence of ancient civilizations beneath the ice. Some claim that the frozen continent is home to lost cities, waiting to be rediscovered. This theory has been fueled by intriguing satellite images showing what some believe to be man-made structures under the ice. However, most scientists argue that these are merely natural formations, a result of the shifting glaciers and ice. Next, we have the rumors of hidden bases, both terrestrial and extraterrestrial. Some suggest that various governments have secret research facilities in Antarctica, conducting experiments away from prying eyes. Others go a step further, claiming that extraterrestrials themselves have bases here. While these rumors make for compelling narratives, there's yet to be any substantial evidence to support these claims. Perhaps the most famous of all are the UFO encounters. Over the years, there have been reports of unidentified flying objects in the Antarctic skies. Some of these reports come from credible sources, like military personnel and scientists, adding a layer of intrigue to these claims. However, without concrete evidence, these sightings remain just that, sightings. It's worth mentioning that Antarctica's extreme weather conditions and isolation make it an interesting candidate for astrobiology studies. Scientists believe that if life can thrive here, it increases the chances of life existing in other extreme environments, like Mars or Jupiter's moon Europa. Now let's talk about the scientific perspectives on these theories. In science, evidence is king. Without hard, verifiable evidence, these theories remain in the realm of speculation. This doesn't mean they're necessarily false, but it does mean we should approach them with caution. While these theories thrill us with possibilities, it's crucial to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism. After all, the line between curiosity and credulity can often blur. But as long as we keep asking questions, keep exploring, who knows what secrets Antarctica might reveal in the future? From hidden facts to scientific discoveries and extraterrestrial intrigue, Antarctica is a land of endless intrigue. This vast white wilderness, the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, is a treasure trove of natural wonders and secrets waiting to be unraveled. We've journeyed through the remarkable geographical features of Antarctica, a place like no other on Earth. Its extreme climate conditions and relatively unexplored status have stirred the curiosity of scientists, explorers, and those who love a good mystery alike. We've delved into the hidden facts of this icy realm, marveling at its unique ecosystem. From surprising marine life that thrives in the harshest of conditions to the active volcanoes rumbling beneath the ice, Antarctica continues to amaze and bewilder us. We've explored the groundbreaking scientific research taking place in this frozen landscape, the ice cores preserving evidence of past climate change, the insights into the ever-widening ozone hole, and the discovery of new species in the region's extreme environments, all underscore the importance of Antarctica in our understanding of the planet. And of course, we've touched upon the extraterrestrial intrigue that swirls around Antarctica. The controversial claims of ancient civilizations, hidden bases, and encounters with unidentified flying objects have sparked debates and fueled conspiracy theories. While we must always separate fact from fiction, the possibility of extraterrestrial life in Antarctica's extreme conditions keeps our minds open and our imaginations running wild. In essence, Antarctica is a testament to the wonder and mystery of our world. It's a place that challenges our perceptions, pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, and ignites our collective curiosity. As we continue to explore and learn more about this fascinating continent, remember, the quest for knowledge is never ending and the next discovery could be just beneath the ice.